Okay, so what we will do now is to play at 105 beats per minute the 4 of the Paco de Lucía's fingerings on the minor melodic scale horizontal up to the 3rd position at 105 beats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's proper practice. That's the whole. So imagine if this we can do in 8 minutes, how much you can do in 1 hour. And now how much you can do in 1 year. People play, like now in 8 minutes, we did them all the fingerings, straight. No wasting time. That's the way it should be, right? Proper practice, because we have to harness our time. The thing is, how we will milk these 8 minutes or 10 minutes. So in 10 minutes you can do all the fingerings straight if you know how. So this is a very good way to avoid wandering aimlessly. We have to be focused and try to harness as much as possible the time we have for practicing. That's what is about the study program. And that will give you success.